There are a lot of things I've missed this year, but there's nothing I miss more right now than being with all of you. While we have been remote, you, the LCS community, have shared an outpouring of love and support that revitalized us. And we wanted to make sure that you know that we see you. Whether it was on the LCS or during the Rift in this last year, we see you. Now, some of you are Plat Braum mains trying to climb your way back to Diamond. Others are ARAM specialists or Earth fiends with a crew of friends by your side. There are thousands here. And from you, 10 teams competed in 2021 to be here today. So disregard the narratives or the results from years past, because today, the title goes to those who make their last stand.
Dark clouds move closer, but with a deepest red. Beneath them we look on, when they part comes the hatred they bring. Lost in the dark, we've come so far. No step to rid the pain. Go and be counted till your last day. So the nightmares break their way. So stand upon these fallen lands and follow in our plotted plans. Yeah, until the end we will remain. And we'll hold on until our last breath.
In 2021, we said goodbye to some of the most iconic faces this league has ever seen. And with their departure, the remaining heroes of the LCS, they did not stand back. They did not falter. Instead, they launched headfirst at the opportunity. Rookies fought like they owned the block, while vets shocked with a renewed vigor. And after 3 months, when the dust is all settled, we were left with our final 2 teams.
Come so far, another step to rid the pain. Go and be counted till your last day. So the nightmares break their fence. So stand upon these fallen lands, following our father's plans. Yeah, until the end we will remain. And we'll hold on until the last
Everyone, say hello to your 2 finalists. It's Team Liquid and Cloud9. Two teams fighting for the title of LCS champion. Welcome to the mid-season showdown. Grand